please complete the sentence. Bakit the best ang family ko? Kasi?
The best ng family ko kasi tinuruan nila akong magmahal ng unconditional. So every time I go home to people who just exude a lot of love, and that's the best thing to go home to.
Okay. Papayag ka bang yung magiging husband mo, maging house husband?
I'm a very open person. So, for example, God gives me a man who is parang kumbaga all in one. Kasi diba, husband ko siya pero at the same time para siyang mom. I think it could work. It depends on, of course, how we appreciate each other and kung talagang yun ang magpapasaya sa kanya. At sa akin, bakit hindi naman? So, open ako doon.